This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by cutting power and removing external factors that force safe mode. First, power off the Samsung J7 Max. Hold the power key for 3-5 seconds and choose power off. Next, remove the case, SD card, and any cables. These can trigger boot flags. If your model has a removable battery, take it out for about 10 seconds and reinsert. This clears transient states. Once done, press and hold power to boot normally. Watch the screen for the Samsung logo. You'll check how the phone actually starts and clear stuck inputs. Boot the device normally and scan the lower left corner for the Safe Mode label. That confirms the state. If it remains, do a soft reset by holding power and volume down together for about 10 seconds. This forces a restart without data loss. Make sure the volume keys aren't jammed or depressed by the case. A trapped volume down button is a common cause, so press each key a few times to free them. You'll finalize removal and handle stubborn cases. If safe mode vanishes after restart, you're done. Otherwise, suspect a misbehaving app and uninstall the most recent or updated apps, then reboot. If that fails, backup data and perform a factory reset via Settings General Management, Reset Factory Data Reset, only as a last resort because it erases data. If problems persist, boot into recovery mode and wipe the cache partition. This can clear corrupted system caches without deleting personal files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.